Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, and I couldn't be more eager to share it. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's get started.
Are you looking to design and print your own t-shirts using the screen printing technique? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through the best way to design and print t-shirts using screen printing. Screen printing is a popular method for creating high-quality, professional-looking t-shirt designs. To start, gather all the necessary materials you will need for screen printing, including a screen, squeegee, and ink. Next, create your design on a computer software or by hand and print it onto a transparency. Then, prepare your screen by coating it with photo emulsion and leaving it to dry in a dark room. Once dry, expose your design onto the screen using a light source like a UV light box. After exposure, rinse the screen to reveal your design, being careful not to wash away the exposed areas. Now it's time to set up your printing station, making sure you have proper ventilation and protective clothing. Place your shirt onto a flat surface and position the screen above it, making sure it is properly aligned. Apply ink onto the screen and use a squeegee to evenly distribute the ink over the design. Repeat the process for each shirt, ensuring that you clean the screen between prints. Once all the shirts are printed, allow them to dry before applying heat to cure the ink and make it permanent. Now you have successfully designed and printed your own t-shirts using the screen printing technique. Remember to follow safety precautions and practice to improve your skills. With time and practice, you can create unique and custom t-shirts for yourself or to sell. So, what are you waiting for? Watch the full video tutorial and start screen printing your own t-shirts today. Remember, this channel is for you, and your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me. So, please, drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations. Thank you for watching.